Oh, righty, guys. Real quick, um, guys, remember I used to talk about this setup, how this Fiat stuff, how we've been trained all our lives to where a loose connection like that is bad. All right, this is a ground wire. All right, this is a Jeep Renegade, by the way, but we've been trained all our life that this is bad. Must be tight. Ground wire must be tight at all times. Except for when we came to this technology. I still haven't found the proper name for it, but for some reason, this connection with this is so good that they was willing to implement it. All right, yeah, it's free spins like that. Now, the good part about this setup is easily disconnecting the negative battery, easy taking away power supply to the car by virtue or by way of removing the ground strap. Just push this button and lift up. Now, and I also talked about how we never have any problems out of this. A lot of guys in the comment section saying, I foresee a problem, I see this, I see that. I'm getting ready to replace one, just because it's nasty and I don't want to, clean all of that up. So I don't want to take no chances, because first of all, I'm going in with a new battery. All right, the battery is I'm going in with a Mopar battery. I don't know what happened here. Okay, I don't know. Remember the old saying? I don't believe it, but there's a saying: if you get a lot of corrosion build up on the negative side, that means your charging system is undercharging. If you get corrosion build up on the positive side, it means your charging system is overcharging. BS. All right, I don't know what caused this. I'm just going to clean it up, do a battery service. Actually, I'm going to replace the battery because it failed the load test. This is the original battery. All right, this damn, I don't know what year this is, but we only got 2-3 good years out of a battery now, so it's not uncommon to need a battery after 3 years, or even 2 for that matters. Soonest one, or the earliest one I've replaced, was 8 months. They literally failed the load test. I don't know how to explain it, but my point is, I'm finally getting ready to replace one of these. No big deal to replace it. Just unscrew the bolt, lift up, and voila. Now here's the deal. Based on the VIN, I went up there to get one from the parts department. Yeah, OEM, Mopar, whatever. Yeah. This is what I got, guys. This is wrong. Okay, this has a battery. This has the sensor on it. This one here don't, and they had a hard time finding this. So I can imagine how hard a time they're gonna have finding just this. Yeah, this is not gonna work. I have nothing to plug in there. Now I don't know. Maybe I'm supposed to take that off. No, I don't think I'm supposed to disassemble anything. I need this specific part right here, and not this. This may be for the newer Renegades that have the sensor where the computer monitors them. There's no wire laying down anywhere down here that would plug into that. So I don't know. I just got the wrong part. All right, so I need to fix that. Let me go see if I can get the right part. I just want to discuss with y'all. I ain't gonna bother cleaning it up because again, I'm replacing the battery. But I need the proper part to put on. So let's go find out what the hell going on around here. Ooh, well, bad news for this customer. Guys, you can't, in fact, remember they got me the wrong one, but I just found out you can't get just the terminal, okay? You got to get the whole complete ground cable, all right? So if you get the cable, it's going to come with this terminal in. From what I'm told, simply can't get this by itself. So you know what, that leaves me no choice but to clean this up. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna clean this up real good with some battery cleaner. Now I'm replacing the battery, so I ain't concerned with that, but it's not rotten. It's not to the point where it's rotten. Well, looking at that, ooh, I don't know, guys. We don't have a ground strap and she need her car ASAP. So I'm gonna clean this up real good. Let me see what I'm gonna use. Ta-da! Yep, it's not Mopar, but it's gonna have to do. Now this is not really cleaner, this is just protector, so this might be what that red stuff is. I need some battery protector cleaner. All right, who the hell got some? I don't need this. What am I doing? Hold tight. Oh, righty guys. Yes, Imperial battery cleaner. All right, so that's what I'm gonna use to, I don't care about the battery. I'm interested in cleaning this up and reusing this. So I'm gonna let this stuff soak. Yes, I'm just yeah, get in there and get all that acid out of there. Clean it up real good, baby. So I'm gonna clean it up, go on with the new battery, Mopar battery. Add some protector. Well, did this stuff work? Obviously it didn't work. I don't know. I don't want to put CRC. They might sign me to a deal, a sponsorship deal. I don't want to say nothing bad about them. Plus, I don't know. It's red, but I don't know if this was on it was red. This may very well actually protect that terminal. We're going to find out. All right, so I got my cleaner, Imperial, and my CRC battery protector. We're going to make sure this car is right. Let me put it that way. The end result is going to be right. This technology is here to stay. So y'all might as well get used to it. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just typical battery corrosion issue problem the battery did. All right, could be acid buildup from a dead battery. Guys, I gotta go. I'm talking too much, clowning around. Thanks for watching.